nag-request si mama ng pizza. Kaya nag-order ako. And naalala ko kasi may free pizza ako. Kasi every time na makaka-order ka ng 5 pizza, meron siyang free 1 pizza. But you have to order of minimum 250 tele. So, I also ordered chocolate bread and then yung garlic bread kasi gusto yun ni mama. And food for Gunner. But then, out of stock na yung pagkain ni Gunner. Kaya, tumawag kay Gunner yung garlic bread na lang. Bigyan natin to kay mother. Anong oras na? It's already 1:30 a.m. Come on na, it's okay. No one na. Kuya, don't do it na. Okay, oh, you try daw, you try. If it's Kuya, do it again, you will stop reading book na. Come on.
And don't look at Kuya and laugh again, ha?
Come on, it's okay. Hadi. Autobus. Hadi.
Anne, så gott att biskit med gitarr. Man såg så till sig att mannen är så man inte går till kusin såna. Drive there second så man inte. Anne så etimiz neden otobüs okey. Hadi sen çok iyi. Ne zaman otobüs gitsek, hadi gitsek. Bak size gitsek. Anne bana bir otobüs verdiler ve de burada kız
No.
Mom, we are so happy that there's
Yeah. They are so happy you are reading book. Later maybe they were gonna say thank you for reading book for us.
Anne bak bir Mr. Araba kartı.
Bobby, kayo Buddha.
Finish. Thank you
so much.
Thank you for reading books for us.
Okay, don't scratch your Anna.
Adi na, nabibignas. Guys, tingin-tingin lang tayo ng sasakyan. Is there a Kia here? Huh. Meron akong, I want a car, but a small one. Ayoko ng mga ganda, yung malalaki. Yung para lang sa amin. Ha? Kaya lang eto, ayaw akong pag-ano neto pag-drive niya. Kasi ang mga driver dito guys, nakakatakot. Manang, can you ask how much is this? This is the car that I want. Ganito yung sasakyan na gusto ko guys. Yung cute lang. New. Oh my god, it's not expensive. And then this one, oh. Ay. This one? Eto naman is 3,600,000. Wow. Can I see what's inside? Wow, ang ganda niya. Which one is better? This one or your car? Is this nice, my love? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, ang ganda. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. But I really like the car. Huh? Yeah. Oh my gosh. This one is like your brother's car. Mabuti may mga price na dito. Ito, 1.7. But girl, Chiktan, I really like the other car, the small one. Ekran mo? Evet. Yeah, ang ganda din nito. Yeah. The small one! Oh, ito yung sasakyan na gusto ko. Basta mga maliliit lang siya. How much is this? What is this? It's not expensive, ha?
Bu olurdu babadan.
Ah, look, oh, hindi siya mahal, guys. 1.3 lang.
1.2 motor.
Ang cute naman nito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. How much for? Kaç kişi içeride? Ang liit to. Dalawa lang. Pang dalawang. Is this one electric? Electric?
Bakalım elektrik.
Buda mı? Buda mı?
Ne?
Electric.
Bu elektrik.
Guys, ganito yung gusto kong sasakyan. I really want this kind of car. Yeah. Yeah, look, oh. It's not, oh. Look, my love, it's so cute. The kids begin.
Yok be güzelliği içeride.
Huh?
Güzelliği içeride.
No, for